Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be using this new feature called My Indicator and demonstrating how to create an indicator with it. My Indicator can create a new indicator based on the ratio, spread, or weight of two or more indicators or symbols. We'll utilize the My Indicator feature to create the ratio between smart money confidence and dumb money confidence. Now, let's move on to the My Indicator section. When you use the My Indicator feature, you will first enter the Form section, where you can view the indicators you've created. You can modify an indicator by clicking its name or create a new one by clicking the Create New Indicator button. Click the Create New Indicator button to access the screen for creating a new indicator. Fill in the indicator name according to your needs, select the category as Indicator Ratio, and then choose Smart Money Confidence from the left-hand menu. Next, on the right-hand menu, repeat the actions from the left side, but this time, opt for Dumb Money Confidence. After selecting the conditions, you can click Preview the created indicator to preview its chart. Once you've confirmed that everything is correct, click Save the created indicator to save it. After creating an indicator, you can not only find it in My Indicator list, but also check it in My Favorites within the indicator search box above the BacktestEdge chart. Additionally, you can view it in the input box for user's own indicator when making condition selections. In summary, based on your trading strategy and trading conditions, you can choose whether to use and create the My Indicator as needed. This video guides you through the detailed steps of using the My Indicator feature to create an indicator ratio indicator. If you have any questions or feedback, please reach out to us at admin@sentimenttrader.com.